Located only 15 minutes drive to New York City, that is Jersey City in New Jersey. Hello everyone, today I'm going to my friend's apartment in Jersey City.
Say hi. Thank you.
We get here before Brian does, so Melissa shows us around the rooftop area while waiting for him. She is his best friend, so she really knows his place. There is a nice lounge here, a swimming pool outside, table area for hanging around having barbecue. This area usually for movie nights. We have tennis courts here.
Yeah, Uber Eats.
How long were you guys waiting?
Like half an hour.
Oh shit. There was so much traffic.
Say hi.
Hi, wait, I look ugly right now. Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
What's up? What do you...
Can we have like an apartment tour?
You want an apartment tour?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Do you want me to walk you through?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the entrance, and then this is the kitchen area. And then there's not lunch.
Yeah,
There's
not
like...
much.
You tell them.
So here over here we have a microwave. In these cabinets we have just
Yeah.
like cups.
I just have a bunch of storage
An
stuff in
air
there.
fryer because he doesn't
Yeah.
want to cook.
I can't cook. There's a dishwasher. Oh,
Frozen
everyone wants to see
peas.
the fridge, right?
Yeah. Ice cream review?
They bought me a bunch of boba ice cream. And then
Oh.
that's all I have. I just drink. That's all I have. I need to buy groceries.
Oh wait, you forgot
Chris, what are you
this. Okay, over here we have all the seasoning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
What are you doing?
Oh my god. House tour.
Oh, keep going.
Some Brian's
I'll do it.
beer in mine.
Oh,
No, that's Brian's now.
That's
It's
the
not
bar
mine
card.
anymore.
That's the
I
bar
never
card.
use that.
Yes, you do. I never use
This
it.
is
The neighbors
where,
must hate Brian.
this is my refrigerator. And then, yeah, my living room. You should check out the view over there, though. There's a nice view of downtown Jersey City.
Oh.
Brian.
It's nice.
Oh, drama. Yes.
Yeah, her and Alan were arguing and she was crying. I was like, don't cry at the club. We're gonna ask her. And then she's like, yeah. But she's right.
Do you probably have a
It's a big mirror.
Oh yeah, the big yeah.
It's a big mirror, look. What's up? And then
Over
look at my
here.
room.
Oh yeah, the room tour.
Yeah, it's just... This is my room. It's kind of messy right now. I'm building a PC, but
Wow.
yeah, this is my room. And then I keep my windows down, but you already saw the view, so
Yeah.
you don't really need to see it. Yeah, and the bathroom.
No?
There's the bathroom. This is where, I don't know, this is the bathroom. Yeah, it's nice. It's like a
Yeah,
little.
it's
It's
nice.
a 1 bedroom. Oh, I have this mirror too. So I keep all my like stuff in here. I keep all of this. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
And how
In downtown Jersey City, I pay like $2,300 a month. It's kind of pricey, yeah. It's really expensive, but mainly for the area.
Before heading out for dinner, we decided to go to the highest floor to see the view. Across the river to the left is New York City. We can see the Statue of Liberty from here, and the green area there is Liberty State Park. We go inside because it is super windy and cold outside.
Just say, if I could just say, we could try to make it better, but it's gonna take forever. Catch me in my Gucci sweater, let you know that I could do better. Every time we try, tell each other lies, getting back together when we know down deep inside that this will never work. Your friends think I'm a jerk. I know we still got feelings, but let's talk about it first. If I could say just one more thing, I'd tell you that I didn't mean everything I said. It wasn't meant to be hurt by you. If I could just say, if I could just say, I wanna be what you need, what you want, you're everything. You set me free, I believe we can go do
I just got all of my wisdom teeth removed recently and only able to eat soft food. So we're gonna have dinner at Oni Ramen today. It's pretty dark and loud in here. They placed those like plastic walls to separate each table. First off, we have the shrimp bao buns. I can't eat it, but it's pretty good according to others. Then we have the chicken wings. They really did a good job on this one. They made the skin so crispy and marinated it so well. It's good. Finally is the main dish. I have the chef's special ramen with chewy noodle, scallion, cabbage, and some slices of pork belly. The soup is super salty, and I'm not too surprised about that since the authentic Japanese one is known to be salty. The pork belly is so soft, but there are only like 3 or 4 slices of it. We had to wait like 45 minutes to get a table inside since it is a Sunday night. But as soon as we got the table, the service is so on point. They also have tables outside, but there's no table for 6 of us. The food is okay to me. I think they can do better. Because of the surgery, I eat so slow. When the others finish their bowls, I still got half of my bowl. So I have to pack the rest home, or else we have to stay here until midnight. And I think that is it for tonight.
okay.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
as you're falling asleep. Don't it feel like a drug? Is it just what you need?